All right, we're gonna look at the shoot audio system. So this is the player shoot, and we can also look at the drone in the drone folder, the drone shoot as well. It's pretty much the same system, just a little bit different. Um, so this is all really one file that is kind of split for simplicity, but um, you'll have 2D, 3D versions, of course. And then I made a shoot parameter for this one. So let's look at the parameter. So in this one, you have shoot, charge shot. So this would be like when the button remains pressed down. And then release shot. This is what tells it to shoot. Go to the shoot section. So shoot should just really just trigger this. And then charge should trigger this right here. And this is the transition region right here. So this tells it to, when based on this condition, when the release shot condition button of the button is shot release, it'll jump to this right here immediately to the shot. So here's the charge. It's going 3D. Alright, so that's how that works. Same thing for 2D. Let's take it back to shoot. Alright. So, and that's pretty much how it is. There's really nothing else to that. Just remember to set the conditions for that, otherwise it'll just might not even work if you don't set the condition. So, all right. And then the same thing for, and it really is the same thing for the ship speed. Sounds like a fart. All right, this one is a multi-instrument, so these are two different audio files, and it's going to play back and forth between the two. And then it's the same thing for the 2D version, two different audio files, and it'll just switch back and forth so it's not sounding the same. Another thing you can do is you can add a pitch randomization to each one of these, random, and then that'll cause it to, I'll show you this actually later though. I've already got that, I didn't want to use it for this for some reason. All right, same thing for ship altitude, it's the same way. 2D back to 3D. So because it's on one file, I use the pitch modulation in this one, pitch randomizer. Oops, wrong one. And that's what you get right here. So there's an 8.40 variation in the potential sounds that it'll play randomly of this pitched change or pitch change of the sound, and same file. So all right, pitch drone shot. It's almost like the regular player shoot. Same deal. Alright, so say it's just press, the button's pressed just once, shoot, button's held down, charge, until it's released. Alright, same deal with that. What else to show? Flash. Yep, so pretty much a similar system to the speed. So I actually don't need this one because this was inside here. Yep. All right. Oh, another thing for the music wise, I'm not sure if this is gonna should have showed this in the other video, but tempo. So if you have things that are looping, it's just be aware that if it's especially if it's music, you have to know what the tempo of the music is and the time signature, music stuff, nerd stuff. But it'll make it loop perfectly. Um, yeah. So, anyways, those are my shoot sounds. All right. Have a blessed one.